Right, find the factors of 12, I want the numbers that divide into 12. So pick up the pair of numbers, the little times to make 12 first of all. So to make 12, 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. So those are the three pairs of numbers that multiply to give 12. So the factors of 12, listing them, and I list them in order of size. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Similarly for 25, all multiply to give 25. 1 times 25, and 5 times 5. So when I list the factors, it will be 1, 5, and 25. I don't list the 5 twice, it's just there once. So those are the factors of 25. Now then, prime numbers are numbers which only themselves and 1 divide into, and they must have 2 factors. So to get the prime numbers less than 20, if I write out all the numbers first of all to 20, okay, so I wanted less than 20, so I don't include the 20. Now then, 1 can't be a prime number because it only has 1 factor. 2 is prime because only 1 times 2 makes 2, so 2 is the first prime number. 3, only 1 times 3 makes 3, so that's a prime number. And then 4 is divisible by 2. So all the even numbers in this row now can't be prime numbers because 2 will divide into them. So I can cross off 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. They can't be prime. So move to 5. It's only 1 times 5, so 5 is a prime number. 7, again only 1 times 7, so 7 is prime. Now 9 is divisible by 3, so that can't be prime. 11, only 1 times 11, so 11 is prime. 13, only 1 times 13, so 13 is prime. 15, divisible by 3 and 5, so that can't be prime. 17, only 1 times 17, and 19, only 1 times 19. So there's the prime numbers which are less than 20. Then product of prime factors in index form. So to do this, we divide 80 down as far as we can, but only using prime numbers. So I start with 80 first of all. Right. I'm doing the sort of bus stop method here to divide. So 80 is even, so the first prime number is a 2, so I can divide 80 by 2. So 2 into 8 goes 4, exactly. 2 into nothing goes nothing. Again, that's even, so 2 will go again. So 2 into 40, 2 into 4 goes twice, 2 into nothing goes nothing. Even, so 2 will go again. 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into nothing goes nothing. Still even, so 2 into 10 goes 5. So 2 will go into 5. Look at the next prime number on the list, and 5 will go into 5 once. Once I get a 1 here, I stop. So 80 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So I got 4 2's, so it'll be 2 to the power of 4 times 5. 196, same method. 196 ends in 6, so it's even, so I divide by the 2. So 2 into 1 will go. 2 into 19 goes 9 times. 9 2s are 18, so it goes in 9 times, 1 left over. 2 into 16 goes 8. Ends in 8, so it must be even, so 2 will go again. 2 into 9 goes 4 times. 2 4s are 8, so that's 1 left over. And 2 into 18 goes 9 times. Right, 2 won't go in. 49, looking at the list there, the next prime number that will divide into 49 is 7. So 7 into 49 goes 7 times. And then 7 will go into 7 once. So that's, because I got 1 there, I finished dividing. So 196 is the same as 2 times 2 times 7 times 7. I got 2 2's, so that's 2 to the power of 2 times, I got 2 7's, 7 to the power of 2. Right, HCF and LCM of 24 and 18. So the first thing you do is to break these numbers down as a product of prime factors. Don't put these in index form when I want to do HCF and LCM. So 24 first then, it's even. So 2 into 24. So 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 4 goes twice. So it goes in 12 times, it's even. 2 into 12 goes 6, even again. 2 into 6 goes 3, 3 into 3 goes once. So 24 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, 18. Even numbers start with 2. 2 into 18 was 9. Right, 9 is an even. Next number in the list, prime number in the list is 3. So 3 into 9 goes 3 times. 3 into 3 goes once. So that's the same as 2 times 3 times 3. So there's the two numbers broken down. And then I put them underneath each other. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And then 2 times 3 times 3. I want to pair up those which appear in both lists. So highest common factor, to find the highest common factor, those which have pairs, I take one of the values from each pair and times them together. So to get the highest common factor, I take one of these 2's, I take one of these 3's and times them together. So highest common factor is 2 times 3, which is 6. Now the LCM, I need to take one of each of the numbers, but where they paired up, I only take one of those numbers. So to get the LCM, it'll be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So to multiply this out, I'll do the 2's first separately. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, times, and 3 times 3 is 9, and 8 9's are 72.